discuss sequencing. Sequencing is something that you might have heard about already. It's very important in a lot of different subjects, like when you're retelling a story or when you're doing math, but the sequence of events in coding is also very critical and essential in order to get that computer program exactly right. Let's discuss it. Sequencing is our vocabulary word. Say it with me. Sequencing. Sequencing means to put a list of steps into the correct order. The sequence of your commands really matters when you're writing a code. It's very important. So I have some examples for you, and we'll talk about why they are important to put them in the right order. So here's my example. Let's say that you are making breakfast. Would you ever make breakfast like this? Step 1, open the cereal box. Step 2, pour some milk onto the cereal. Step 3, take the lid off the milk carton. Step 4, tip some cereal into the bowl. Step 5, get a bowl from the cupboard. No, those are all out of order. We have to have the correct sequence. If you write a computer program in the wrong sequence of events or in the wrong sequential order, as you sometimes hear it said, then it will not operate correctly. The function of your program will not work, and your computer will just sit there and not be able to perform the program at all as it's written. It's very important to really concentrate on those details and make sure that you have everything in the sequential order. Let's go back to our breakfast example. Of course, the right order of steps would be step 1, get a bowl from the cupboard. Step 2, open the cereal box. Step 3, tip that cereal into your bowl. Step 4, take the lid off the milk carton. And then step 5, pour the milk into your cereal. That would be our correct sequential order. So you can see that just like when you're making breakfast or just like when you're following a list of steps, it's very important that in coding as well, that we have that sequence or that sequential order in order to get our program exactly right. When you're writing a program, really double check and make sure that you have everything in the right order, or else your program is not going to run.